Hello guys, uh, today we are going to talk about how to install Git on Linux, and first we need to know what is Git. In modern software development is some kind of version control system, and version control systems allow you to keep track of your software at the source level. You can track changes, revert to previous stages, and branch to create alternative version of the files and directories. And one of the most popular version control system is Git. It's a distributed version control system, and many projects maintain their files in a Git repository, and sites like GitHub, Bitbasket have made sharing and contributing to the code simple and valuable. So in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to install Git on Linux. And first of all, and I have my Xubuntu here, and I'm going to go through command by clicking this button here, and then go to terminal, and right here I'm going to install Git. So it's sudo apt-get install Git. So this is the command you want to use to install Git. Then enter, then prompt you for password, and type your password. And then do you want to continue, and say yes. Okay. For some reason I get this error because I have installed this Git already, so I don't just want to install it. You can just install the Git by using the command that I showed you, sudo apt-get install Git. And once you have Git installed and configured, the next step is to initialize Git in a project, and essentially to tell a Git to start tracking things in this Git project. And the way we are going to do that is with another Git command, which is git init. So we are going to tell Git to initialize the project to get everything ready to start doing its tracking. So now let's make a directory, and I'm gonna make a directory on my document folder. Change the document cd tilde and cd again tilde / document, and here I'm going to make directory. So mkdir, and we'll make a folder called Git project. Okay, and now we change to that folder cd / git git. First let's check inside ls. We have this git project and first Git project, so I'm going to change to git project. So now let's initialize Git in this Git project, and we are going to use the command called git init, and we can see that is initialized apt-get in home project.git. And if we use command such as ls, we see there is nothing in the git, so there is the files that I already hidden. So let's use another command, ls dash li. So you see these are permissions, and also we see we have other hidden files, and the number is 12 files. So now let's use another command called ls li dot git. So you can see all hidden files. This list of the files and folder that git uses while it's doing its tracking, they are all listed here. And now again, this is git workspace. You don't want to come in and here and start messing around and changing things. You leave it alone, let git manage these files, and let it put things where they need to be. And the only exception is to that would be the config file. That's the only thing that you would really ever come in here and either take a look at or even possibly edit. This is for project level configuration. Now again, I want to just emphasize the point that everything that git does is going to be stored in a single top level directory. That's very different from other SVN. So thank you guys. For the next tutorial, we're going to talk more about other stuff related to git. Bye bye.